What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode. I'm over here at Goat Island, and I don't know, I'm gonna go try probably some squid. But right now there's herring. Meron ng mga herring, mga tamban. So we're gonna try to catch them on shore right here. They're really close by. Matabi lang sila eh. Really close by. So right now I'm just waiting till sunset na lang, no? About sunset. Pero ang aga pa dito, maga pa. So I'm just standing by, chilling, checking out the view. Yung mga view ko, dito lang ako sa kotse. So there's one guy fishing over there, trying for squid, but I don't see him pulling up. Wala siya nahuli. So, you know, standby lang ako, but I'm gonna try it a little bit. So standby lang kayo guys. Let's go try. Let's go gear up. I'm gonna go gear up. Kind of chilly tonight, so see what I'm working with over here. Put my sweater on. It's a little chilly tonight. Let's do this. All right, let's go. Right, we'll do my first cast, but nobody. That's a good sign. Maybe the squid will be here when I'm just alone. But actually there's two of us. So all right, first cast guys, let's try. I'm gonna walk this bridge and look for him. Hopefully they're out there somewhere. Alrighty. All right, first cast, let's see. Sun's coming out though. It was cloudy earlier. Sun's coming out, which is good. Looks like it was gonna rain, but earlier. Nothing. Look like it's peak high tide right now. Just trying it out, kind of bored in the car, you know. Might as well get my exercise going. I'm gonna walk this bridge and look for him. If not, you know, just catch some herring or something. It's still early anyway for the squid to come in. There's a few down there, but not that thick yet. Ain't that crazy bite yet, you know, that you wanted. But yeah, that's it. Second cast. Come on, squiddy. Sons are herring at night though. I don't mind catching them. They're good eating. We call it tamban in the Philippines. Sarap, tuyo. Diba? Tamban. Just fry the sucker out of it. Fry it extra crispy and you're good to go with a special sauce. Oh my goodness, sarap. Okay, try natin yung tamban. See kung nandito sila, guys. Testing natin. Hopefully they're around. Hopefully. Ang daming scales, oh. There's a lot of scales. Pero sunset sila na kumakain. Sa sunset. Wala. Sun is coming out. Nothing. Try the middle of the bridge. Let's go try the middle of the bridge. Alright, let's go. Now, a couple of peeps are murdering them in the boat. Charter boats. You know, more chances on charter boat, or if you have a boat. Yeah, people have been posting they've been catching there, but you know, I do shore fishing today. Bridge fishing, you know. Gotta be on a mission. You gotta walk and search this bridge and look for them. But good for them boat fishermen. Always get lucky. So it's nice to have a boat, you know. But I prefer shore fishing. I prefer this better. But I tell you, anytime soon the squid will be here though. Still kind of early, but there's a few now and there. I see my friends catching a couple days ago, but you gotta be like AM. You need to stay up and wait for him, you know. 3 AM, 4 AM. I gotta work. So this is my only day off, so this game today, I'm gonna try my best. I'm gonna just catch a few and just put on my soup, you know, make some hot soup and just catch a couple or 3 or 2. That's good enough. Big ones, you know. On some tubes. Good enough for my soup. I'm good to go. My fresh, you know. Alright. Try the middle of the bridge. If I don't catch anything here, that's it. I'm gonna try later though. Just testing the water. Just testing the water. Let's try over here. One of my spots right here back in the days. But usually when they hit, they hit. So we'll see. Wala pa talaga guys. I've been jigging and jigging. Wala. Nothing. Mag-standby lang ako konti. I'm just gonna chill for a little bit more and chill back in the car, you know. I don't know, the tide is just peak high tide right now, so I'm gonna wait. Maybe I get lucky at night. We'll see. Alright guys. Alright guys, just checking back. It's about 7 o'clock PM. And no squid yet, so I'm just gonna go mess around with some tamban, mga herring, mga yun. But I tell you what, you know, like, check out this bridge, son. Look at that, sunset's about to go down. I'm probably gonna mission it tonight. Depends how I feel, maybe, I don't know. They said they're biting late, early morning, 2, 3 AM in the morning for the squid. I don't know, we'll see. Maybe take a nap in my car for a little bit. But anyway, some herring. Hopefully they're here. I did pretty good last night, so hopefully they're here again tonight. Now I got my camera, hopefully I can get it on video. Alam mo naman yan mga idol, sarap yung mga tamban. Dito sa spot ko, hindi kami nagbabangka. Dito lang kami, oh. Dito lang kami nagpipishing dito. Ganyan lang. You just throw your rod right there and okay na. Diyan lang. Katabi lang sila. But alright guys, I'll catch you guys later. Mamaya na lang no guys. Okay, peace out. Peace. Alright Lodi. Game na. Dito na mga tamba, no. That's it. Dito na. Meron na akong isa. Paki-set up muna. Alright guys. Mga loads. Game na. This is it. Oh shoot, wait. Guys, there you go. Oy, I got away. See, one thing about these herring, they come off real quick. Tumatanggal yung ano na. Ang sensitive yung mga ano ay. Yung lips nila, once they shake, yung hook, nawawala. There you go guys. Yan, mga lodi, may huli na. May huli na mga lods. Ay, yung mga tamban, oh. Yan ang tamban, di ba? Oh, di ba? See? Ayan. Oh. Lalaki mga tamban dito, mga guys. Lalaki, oh. Tingnan mo mga ito, guys. Yan, tingnan mo yung mga idol, oh. Lalaki. Oh, shoot. Yan, oh. Yan. Let's cast away. Let's cast away, mga lodi. Ganyan lang. Katabi lang yan, mga guys. Hindi masyado malayo, eh. Ganyan lang. It's gonna get dark soon, so dumidilim na. Sunset na to. Tingnan mo yung, look at the sunset. Pero mamaya mabuti, marami yun natin. Oh guys, it's like they come in, they go out. It's not as crazy as the other night, but hopefully it'll pick up. You know, I'm happy with just like 10-20 pieces. Ang sarap ito i-prito, guys, no? Alam mo naman yan. Yun, oh, may huli na. Oh, nawala. Sensitive mga isda ito ay. They get off real quick. Bumalis yung hook sa ano nila. Yan guys. Yun, may huli na. May huli. Uy. Nahuli na. Isa lang ata, isa lang. Oh, dalawa. Tatlo. Yun, tatlo. Yan. Diba? Ang lalaki. Oh, there. Oh, okay. Sometimes when I do that, my hook like this hook is old already. Diba guys? Oh, tingnan mo yan. Oh, meron na huli. Baka prito ko ito mamaya, no? Yan, sige. Try natin ulit. Dami ng tao dito. Dito lang sila, eh. Dito lang sila. Yan, daming tao. May huli agad, oh. May huli. Katabi lang mga yan. Hindi na kami magbabangka dito. Nandito lang sila, oh. Yun, oh. Ano ba yan? Oh. Diba? Yan pala yung technique. Ayan. Oh, dami na. Sige. Try natin ulit mga idol. Yan lang, oh, katabi lang yan. Hindi malayo pa yung pakas yan. You don't have to cast it far. Just jig away. Mag-jig lang, ganyan lang. Oh, may huli din siya. Ayun, nawala. You know, this is fun, you know. Kung walang pusit, magtambad na lang tayo. Cast some herring, you know. Mamaya yung mga pusit, baka mamaya itira sila. Yan. Yan guys. May huli agad. May huli. May huli. Yun. May huli. Yun. Yan, no? Okay na guys. Suabe. Game na game. Game na game guys. It's getting dark now. Pang jig-jig lang ito eh. Masarap ang isda ito. Prito, favorite ko boys. Favorite ko ito. Sa may bagoong kang kamatis. Ay nako, sinabi mo pa. Dito ako sa Rhode Island. Rhode Island sa USA. Close to New York. Oh, dito ako. This is my state. Dito ako nakatira. Yan guys. Ay. Yan. Isa lang ata to. Isa lang. Ay. Yan. Baka dito na sila.
Okay,
Cast away guys, cast away. Huli oh. Wow, tignan mo yan oh. Huli sila. Guys, may huli. May huli. Baka isa lang ito. Isa lang. These guys shake like crazy. Isa lang. Ah, dalawa ata. Yun. Oh, yan guys oh. Oh, apat pala. Apat pala guys. Common itong mga isda ito every mga pang springtime, daming mga ito, mga tamban ito during spring. Sa May, ganun, the month of May, dami ito. Try natin agad. Huli din. Dami oh. Yan, nahuli agad, nahuli. Yun oh. May huli, may huli. Dami ata to ah. Okay, let's load them up. Oh. Oh. Yan na guys, swerte ako. Tinara, swerte na naman. Swerte. Pasensya guys, ang dilim lang ha. Madilim lang. It's about to get dark soon. So, ewan ko yung quality yung video ko. Wala akong light eh. Oh shit. Dito na sila guys. Daming mga tamban dito. Daming tamban. Hey. Yan guys. Pasensya lang yung mga lighting ko ah. Wala na yung lighting ko. Madilim na. Madilim na. Madilim na guys. Guys, may huli ulit, may huli ulit. May huli ulit. Sana makita niyo, baka madilim na. Yun. Oh. Diba? Ayan. Katabi lang yan guys. Sige. Tirahan muna. But there's still light guys. Kung meron pang ilaw, okay pa rin yan. Okay, cast away, cast away. Cast away. May huli agad, may huli. Hope you guys can see it. Ah, isa lang. Isa lang guys. Tara, game, game. Dami na, marami na guys. Dito na sila lahat. Ito yung timing. Set. Set my isa. Snag there on the side. Yeah, everybody's catching. Look at that. Last cast ito guys, it's getting dark already. Last cast. Sige, one. Yeah, meron na. Last cast ito ay. Yan. Yan ang mga lodi. That's it. Naka-quarter bucket na ako. So yan guys, mamaya na lang no. Baka maluto tayo no. O sige, mag-fishing lang ako kasi madilim na eh. Sige naman yan. Madilim na. Hindi nyo makita. Wala akong lighting ay. Okay guys. Catch up. Hi guys, just updating from last night. I was catching herring, but then I tried for squid, but then you know it was too late. Those guys were catching. I was too busy catching herring. But anyways, yeah, I didn't have no light, so I couldn't take a video. So well, anyway, I'm gonna let you guys go. All right, this is the next day, early morning. Parking lot is dead in the morning. So thanks for tuning in guys, and catch up on the next one. All right, peace.